In this lesson, we are going to talk about disaccharides. So, disaccharides are a group of carbohydrates. In the previous lesson, we learned that there are three different groups of the carbohydrates named monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Here the disaccharides means there are two units, two monosaccharide units. That is, two monosaccharide units join together to form a disaccharide. So how this happens is, we'll take two glucose units. I'm drawing two glucose units. Here, when forming a disaccharide, OH from the first carbon of one disaccharide. If I name the carbon here, this is the first one, second one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and here in this one, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, OH from the first carbon of one monosaccharide of the glucose. Here it goes with the hydrogen of the attached to the fourth carbon of the other monosaccharide unit, and this forms water. So it releases a water molecule and forms a bond between these two monosaccharide units. So I'm not going to draw the this again. Here I'll draw the same oxygen here. So it forms a bond like this, an oxygen linkage. So this bond is known as a glycosidic bond. This one. This type of a reaction is called a condensation reaction because it releases water. So it forms a bond between these two monosaccharide units and forms a disaccharide. Here, in the example I've drawn, it has two glucose units. Here, the disaccharide forms is named maltose. Similarly, there are three major known disaccharides. So, if in the reaction two glucose molecules join together, it is a maltose. If it is glucose and fructose, then the disaccharide is known as sucrose. This is the table sugar, normal table sugar. And then if it is glucose and galactose, the disaccharide is lactose. That is the sugar found in milk. So the three main most common disaccharides are maltose, sucrose and lactose. So we can again describe these disaccharides as reducing sugars or non-reducing sugars. That depends on the availability of their aldose groups or keto groups. So based on that, sucrose is a non-reducing sugar, but all the other the monosaccharides we talked about and these two, maltose and lactose, are reducing sugars. So in this lesson we talked about disaccharides. So next time, in the next lesson, we'll discuss about the next group of carbohydrates, that is polysaccharides. Thank you.